Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajaha and today we are talking about the Terra ecosystem again. Today we're going to focus on an application within the Terra ecosystem called Kado Money. So as always, let's get straight to it. If you're looking to stake your Luna, then go no further than 1-star validators. They are the best in the game and I'll leave a link in the description, so go check them out. So what is Kado? Kado is a payment infrastructure utilizing the power of our favorite stablecoin UST. And essentially they have three different products. They've got Kado Ramp, Pay, and Save. Now I'll save the last two products for later, but today what I really wanted to just focus on is the Kado Ramp. How can we get our fiat currency into UST? And in my opinion, I think this is the quickest, easiest and cheapest way, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. All you need to do is go to the Kado Ramp page and you'll be able to see that you come up with this really nice interface which just is pretty simple, straight to the point. Buy stablecoins, and we want to buy UST. You can see that at the moment they've just got UST available, but I assume in future they will have more. And we can buy UST with any of our favorite, well, not favorite, but any of our fiat currencies that we have. So whether that's dollars, euros, pounds, whatever. And it's really, really simple. All you need to do is create an account on this platform. Now it is KYC, so bear that in mind. And all you need to do is connect your bank account with this platform. And once you do that, you can literally buy UST directly with your pounds and send it directly to your Terra wallet. And it's as simple as that. Now the best thing about it, the flat 2 UST fee. I think that's awesome. I think that's really, really cool. Now, it does say on my screen, some non-US banks may apply additional conversion fees. So when I did this with my bank, there was a slight extra conversion fee, but I think for me it costed around $2.50 or something around that. So, I mean, that sounds pretty good to me. Happy days, can't complain. So how does it work exactly? Well, literally you just enter an amount that you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy £100 worth, so that's 133 UST. Now in reality that, you know, the actual rate should be 135, but that includes this 2 UST fee. And all you do is you click buy now, you enter your wallet address, it'll tell you the kind of fees and things like that, and you just click buy now. Now it will then take you to another page where they'll send you an email and give you a code. You have to put that code in, and then it will take you to a verification page where you just have to check that it's the bank account that you want to use, and then you just click confirm. As simple as that. Now, what's awesome about it? Well, here you go. Here's a transaction that I did where I bought £10 worth, so 12 UST, and I bought it at 6:31 p.m, 25 seconds. And guess what? It was literally within my wallet in about 100 seconds. I thought that was just amazing. So fast, so cheap. I mean, happy days, really. It really does work. Now, is there a catch to it? Well, the thing is, if you go to the side here and click on limits, they do have different tiers, essentially. Now, when you first create your account, you're going to be in tier 1. With tier 1, you've got a 1000 UST limit per day. So that you have to bear that in mind. Remember as well that you need to KYC as well. Now tier 2, you just need to do a few orders, and yeah, you know, your first ramp order about 14 days ago, and you know, you've got many tiers essentially. So the more you do, the more higher tier you get. 5,000 UST per day, I think that's all right. I mean, I think for a lot of the whales, you probably would want more. Maybe in the future, that's something that they're working on. I'm not too sure at the moment, but hey, I think for the time being, even 1,000 UST that you could just do directly within 100 seconds from your bank straight into your Terra Station wallet. I mean, I can't complain. I think that's pretty good. I am looking forward to using this because I think getting a fiat into UST is a little bit difficult at the moment. You have to go through some of these centralized exchanges, and if you use a centralized exchange like Coinbase, well, the UST that they have is not native UST. It's UST on the Ethereum blockchain, and then when you withdraw it, you have to withdraw it to your MetaMask wallet, and then you have to bridge it over. It's far too long, it's far too difficult, and the fees are obviously significantly more. So yeah, I think this is pretty awesome. I will probably be using this for the time being because it works. Now, of course, you do have to just check things out, make sure things are safe. So do your own research on that. Go support them on Twitter. You can obviously get in touch, contact them as well. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Kado ramp. Happy days. So if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, I'll be back with another video soon.